And in this video, we're going to go over 5 more sites that you probably didn't know about that will help you improve in your art. What's good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Get Good Millhouse, where in this channel, we promote the fact that talent is not the biggest thing you need to have to improve in something. It's all about skills that can be taught. And trust me, I am not no talented person from the jump whatsoever. And I'm trying to prove to everyone in the world that you don't need talent to succeed. And if you like this message, give this video a like. Run them likes up. All right, so this is part 2. In this video, we're gonna go over 5 amazing websites that can help you improve with your artwork, help me improve with my artwork, and hopefully it can help you. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And if you want to be a supporter of this channel, I have a Patreon page where you can be a supporter. You'll get all access to my PSDs and my Clip Studio Paint files. And also you have early access to YouTube videos before they launch.
Okay, so first link of the day will be screenmusings.org. I like to use this so I can copy scenes just to get the mood. So if I'm trying to like illustrate a mood for a illustration or some type of art, I like to check this out. They have like the color palette here that is used. They even have like the name of the movie and stuff like that. So if you find anything that's like really interesting here, it's great to use. And here they have a list of all the movies that they have on their sites, all the little screen caps here and there. I like to just pick Atomic Blonde, and you got these interesting, nice, warm scenes here. You can use this to color pick as well. Also, I like to take examples of a like bouquet to add into like animations or illustrations. So they even have Into the Spider-Verse screen caps, so you can use this to your own will, like just to color pick or setting up scenes and animations, or like just for illustration themselves. I really love using this just to get like a sense of the style, like just looking at how they use 100% black and how they added in some light colors to just see the silhouette of the Green Goblin here. I have a scene, I'm trying to tell a story here. So this is a great example of like how to add in characters and, you know, to tell some type of story, like the conversations being had here. So if you've seen the first video, the first part, there's a palette website. There's a second palette website that I have here, and these are normally made to make pixelated games for environments or characters. This website is called lowspec.com, and you can choose from any number of colors. You can do minimum, you can do max, exact, you can change up sorting or the amount from A to Z. You can go to downloads and news. You can search by tags. You can like download each of these palettes here. Like let's say if I want to download this one, I like the colors of this one. Download it as a PNG or image, PhotoShop, GIMP. Another useful palette website. They also have tutorials here. They have a palette list, and they have resources. So if you're really into making pixelated arts or pixelated games, Lowspec is something to check out. Okay, so this is probably one of my most ultimate links that I have on me. Well, it's one of the many ultimate links that I got. This is called Visual Library. This is the characterreference.com. Visual Library here, they have resources on everything. So if you need help with your character, creature designs, anatomy, character designs, concepts, just clicking on any one of them will like land you onto a Pinterest page where it'll be a list of just things. Like let's say I have a hard time drawing like character poses, like I always do. Leads me to a Pinterest page, and I have all of this. So it's like a all-in-one Pinterest website that leads you to everything. And you can, man, like telling you, this is such a time saver, because how long have you spent on Pinterest looking at character design, saying like, okay, maybe I can use this as a model, or you have to like look for this particular artist or whatever. And some of the pages do not work for you. This is like just hands down amazing, especially like the fact they have all these hand examples here. Like I want to use this hand for illustration or something. Just chock full of resources here. And just look at how long this list is. Just like anything that you're looking for, it's here. It's all here. They even have tutorials, layout, environment, and FX designs. Okay, layout is probably like one of the, like, I think if you focus on layout, I hear, don't quote me on this, I hear that layout design, it's always needed in animation. They have it all on this website here. One of the best ones, like in my opinion, when it comes to just finding references to model from. So this is animationsmears.tumblr. This is an amazing ass resource because you can actually see how smears work for animations. Animation smears is a very like subtle thing that you see in animation, and it's hard to catch it with your naked eye. These are the best screen caps of the smears that you will see in a split second. Like Super Jail here when they have their heads turning like this, or even for Ren and Stimpy, you have, is that Doc from Back to the Future? I totally forgot they had a cartoon or animation. But I like using this website or using this page for smearing and learning some of the gimmicks in animation. Okay, so you want Photoshop, you need to learn Photoshop, but you don't have Photoshop, okay? And Photoshop is too expensive and you want an alternative to Photoshop. I get you, and you want it to be free. Well, PhotoP is basically Photoshop. It opens up PSDs and it has basically all the functions of Photoshop. So let's say if I want to upload a Photoshop file. So here I have my illustration. I can mess with the layers here. I can change any of the layers to multiply, or I can change the blending options, right? I could also go to filter, go to blur. I can go to Gaussian blur. They have Gaussian blur on here. I can set it up to like whatever. Boom. And it's like, it's Photoshop. And then you can just save it. You can save it as a PNG. You have your brushes here. So I mostly just use PhotoP just for the other options in Photoshop that's not available. Like let's say blending options here, where I can do extra stuff. I really wish that Clip Studio Paint had blending options. They don't have blending options. So I can do outer glow. I can do a gradient overlay, just a regular ass overlay. Really come up with some really cool, freaky like looks towards my illustrations and stuff. So if you really want to finish off something in Clip Studio Paint, but you know you can do more in Photoshop, I will go to PhotoP and use this instead of actually buying Photoshop, because Photoshop is too rich for my blood. I can't afford Photoshop. They even have a filter gallery on here where you could do so much. Like they don't, the filter gallery in Clip Studio Paint is nice, but I don't think they have everything here. Look at stylized. I'm gonna do this. Low. Hit okay. Boom. It's a work of art. It's a work of art. Oh, those are the links. Play around with them. Enjoy them.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. If you found any of this useful, make sure to leave a comment down below, and also voice out your opinions on the things that you have a hard time in art that maybe I can find a link just for you. I might feature you in the next video. And again, if you guys ever want to be a supporter of this channel, I have a Patreon page and also have affiliate links down below of the equipment that I'm using. So all that stuff really helps out the channel so I can bring to you more content and actually have more time in my day to, you know, not worry about things, and then I can just fully focus on making content. Let's be real here, no cap. Again, you guys are improving because you guys are actually looking for the information to help you improve in art. I know progress is hard to track. Trust me, once being a really, really big dude, being 300 pounds, now skinnier and healthier, you don't really see the improvements until it's actually staring back at you in your face. So stay strong out there and just keep on working. You guys will get there eventually. With that being said, I will see you guys on the next video. You guys sleep easy. Peace.